Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, hi, I'm Brittany. Welcome to my channel. I'm so glad you're here today. So today we're going to be filming a very exciting video. We're going to be doing a first impression on the new Manny MUA Lunar Beauty Life's a Drag eyeshadow palette. So Manny MUA here on YouTube has created his own brand, and his first launch was an eyeshadow palette, and when I saw this, I automatically wanted it. I saw the beautiful bright colors and automatically felt inspired, and these neutrals are really pretty as well. They have like that nice burgundy brown in there, and also some cool tone colors like this cool tone brown. We have some blues, pinks. I just had to have this palette when I saw it, and obviously today I created this colorful smoky eye. I really love the way it turned out. I just felt really inspired when I saw the colorful colors, so I wanted to do my first look using all the colorful colors. But of course, I'm going to be using the neutral, kind of more wearable colors in the future, obviously. And so today we're going to be focusing all on the eyes, and we're just going to be going in depth with this eye look right here. And so yeah, if you guys want to see how I got this look and also my first impressions and thoughts on this palette, then go ahead and keep watching. Okay guys, so this is the box that it came in. It's super cute, rose gold. I love the aesthetic. And then of course, this is the palette. It's freaking huge. Like I said in my haul, it almost covers my whole face. I'm so excited. Oh my gosh, so I already have my base done, obviously, and I just wanted to get that out of the way so we could just focus on the eyes. And so let me go ahead and show you the inside of the palette. So these are the colors right here. They're so gorgeous and untouched. And then it does come with a brush. And also inside the box, it came with this little card, and it says, "Life's a drag. Bring out the queen in you with this beautiful mix of neutral and bright colors that blend effortlessly. 14-pan color palette." And it's also cruelty free. And then of course it has Manny and all his models on the front. So I have no idea what look I want to do today. I literally just want to use all the colors I can. I'm probably going to do something colorful just because that's what's calling my name right now. But we're just going to jump into it. Okay guys, so my eyes are already primed. I just put some Tarte Shape Tape concealer and then set it with some translucent powder. So usually I like to start off with the transition shade, a more lighter color, but today I wanted to try something different and go in with a darker color first. So I'm going to be taking this red color right here called Snatched into my crease. So these do have some kickback, so I'm just going to tap off my brush. And then I'm just going to go into the crease with my MAC 217 in that color. So they are super pigmented, which is really good. As Manny would say, super pigmented. And so I want to do kind of a more round eye today, so I'm kind of rounding it off. So that's not as dark as I want, so I'm going to go in with a little bit more product and see if it darkens up. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and go in with the more fluffy brush in the color Campy, which is this bright yellow. And I'm just going to blend out this red with the yellow color. And I'm taking that yellow color also into the crease, just really blending out that red color. And so far they are blending really nicely. Okay, and now I'm just going to go back in with that 217 and the color Snatched and deepen it back up. So I'm going to be taking that same brush in the color Pageant Queen, which is this purple right here. And I'm just going to place this below the red and kind of blend the two together. And these colors blend really nicely, like together. They kind of meld together and make a really pretty color. And so that's what I'm going to be doing with this purple. Okay, so I went ahead and cleaned my brush off a little bit, and I'm going back in with the red, which is Snatched, just because I feel like we kind of lost that color, so right above the purple. And now I'm just going back in with some more yellow, and I don't really tap off my brush for the yellow because I want it really, really intense. So I'm actually going to be taking the brush that came in the palette, and I'm going to take this more flat, kind of dense brush, and I'm going to dip that into Fishy, and we're going to put this all over the lid. And so far I've actually had I've had no fallout whatsoever, which is really, really good. Maybe I should have cut my crease. It's okay. We're gonna blend everything together, kind of like a smoky eye. So this color is definitely not as vibrant as the other colors. It's more of a color you're gonna have to build. Oops, and I did get some fallout. So this shade, he said, is not completely matte, but so far it's looking pretty matte on the eyes. So that brush wasn't really doing it for me, so I'm going to take this Sigma flat brush. It's a E55 instead, and then I'm just going to continue to pack that blue on. And you want to pack it all the way up until you hit that purple color. Okay, so once I have that blue on there, I'm going back in with the purple, which is Pageant Queen, and I'm just going to use that to blend out the blue. Okay, so I'm just gonna go back in one more time with that yellow. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and do the same thing to this eye, and then we'll move on. Okay, to go ahead and highlight the inner corner, I'm gonna be taking the color Beat right here, which is a beautiful foiled color. And I'm just gonna pop this right here in the inner part, just to add a nice pop. I'm taking whatever's left on my brush with the very, very tip. I'm gonna put it right underneath my arch. Try not to mess with that yellow. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and do my usual winged liner with my Stila liquid liner. Okay, so now I'm just going to go ahead and apply a light layer of mascara. I'm going to use my Benefit Bad Gal. Okay, while my lashes are drying, I'm going to go ahead and work on the lower lash line. So I'm going to be taking the black in the palette called Shady on a flat brush. And I'm just going to line my lower lash line with this. Okay, and to blend that out, I'm going to be taking Kai Kai, which is this hot pink color. And I'm going to take that on a small fluffy brush and just blend out this black with that. And I'm going to drag this pretty low just because I want it to look really nice and smoky. Okay, and then I'm just going to take a tiny bit of the yellow and put it right under this pink. I'm kind of attaching it to the top. And then just going back in with a little bit more pink. Beautiful. Then I'm just going to touch up that black. Just as close to the lash line as possible. Okay, and then I'm going to take my NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in the color Milk. And I'm just going to apply this to my waterline. This is so hard to do on camera. Okay, and now I'm just going to repeat those same steps on this eye. Then I'm just going to apply some mascara to my lower lashes. And be careful you don't get it on that white. For lashes today, I'm going to be using these ones in the middle. These are Sirens from House of Lashes. Okay guys, so this is going to be it for the eyes. I really like the way they turned out. I love them so much. Okay guys, now I'm going to go ahead and get dressed and I'll be back on camera to tell you guys my final thoughts on the palette. Okay guys, I'm back and I went ahead and added a nude lip. I ended up wearing the Tarte liquid lipstick in the color Exposed and a gloss on top, and this is the Marc Jacobs Sugar Gloss, and I will have everything that's on the rest of my face listed in the description if you want to know. So I think my overall thoughts are pretty good. Like, everything blended out really, really nicely. I love the colors. Of course, I had to go with the colorful eye look because when I saw this palette, I was automatically inspired to do something colorful. But of course, I will do some more looks using the neutral colors. They look so beautiful. I love like this dark burgundy brown color. I just can't wait to play with the neutrals as well, and also go more into the foiled shades. There are only 2 foiled colors. I wish that there was more just because I love metallic eyeshadows, but I do love every single shade in this palette so far. I haven't tried all of them. I think I used about like 5 eyeshadows in this tutorial, but I'm definitely going to keep trying it out, and then I'll let you guys know my final thoughts like after using all the colors. But yeah, so far so good. And so yeah, if you did end up liking this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up if you did, so I can know to keep doing palette reviews on my channel. Also, if you have any questions about the palette or this video, leave it in the comments down below. Also, if you're not already subscribed to my channel, my name is BritanyRaquell. Welcome. I would hope that you would like to join my BritanyRaquell family by subscribing. I make videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, so that's 3 times a week. And yeah, that's pretty much all I have to say. I hope that you guys enjoyed, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye!